There is a strange irony to the modern digital worker. We are often hired for our ability to think, yet we spend a large portion of our day executing robotic, manual tasks. Much of our time goes toward typing data from one window into another, formatting the same weekly reports, manually screening hundreds of resumes, and answering the same routine customer emails over and over. Organizations rely on business-to-business, or B2B, software to manage this workload. These are the digital tools used to run core functions, like human resources, finance, operations, and marketing. But the standard approach involves buying 10 to 20 disconnected software platforms from entirely different vendors. Because these systems cannot talk to each other, the data stays trapped in silos. Subscription costs multiply across departments, and the effort required to navigate between these systems slows everything down, stalling organizational productivity. This forces human employees to manually connect and run the software, creating a bottleneck that prevents real innovation. To address this, we have to look at the microscopic level of work, starting with the AI agent. An AI agent is an intelligent digital assistant designed to work independently. These agents operate tirelessly around the clock. They execute specific, multi-step business processes without needing constant human supervision. You can deploy an AI sales agent to follow up with leads, an AI HR assistant to screen candidates, or an AI data analyst to compile and format reports. These agents take over the exact repetitive manual chores that drain time from the average workday. By removing the burden of administrative drudgery, workers can shift their focus towards strategy, relationship building, and business growth. However, if you place these AI agents inside the same isolated, disconnected software programs we discussed earlier, the original fragmentation problem remains. Nitai AI addresses this by building a B2B AI all-in-one ecosystem, a unified system that acts as the single digital operating system for an entire organization. This architecture consolidates dozens of vendors into a unified platform, one login, one dashboard, and one database. Every essential function, from CRM and marketing automation to HR and finance, lives inside this single core, entirely powered and connected by AI. Consolidating into a single ecosystem eliminates redundant subscription fees and builds a structure where data flows instantly between departments. The core philosophy at Nitai AI is that enterprise-grade technology should be affordable and practical for everyone, not just large corporations. Small businesses and startups use this unified ecosystem to automate marketing and invoicing, allowing them to compete globally with a lean team. NGOs and social organizations use it to manage volunteers and fundraising with minimal administrative overhead. Schools and universities apply the system to coordinate classes, student records, and assessments. Even government institutions use the ecosystem to analyze large volumes of data and modernize the way they deliver services to citizens. By removing technical and financial barriers, the ecosystem allows these organizations to match the operational speed and efficiency of a global enterprise. Beyond organizations, independent professionals and freelancers use the ecosystem as a personal digital assistant to manage their clients and daily workflows. To make these tools useful, however, the workforce must be ready. Job seekers and students must prepare for an economy increasingly driven by artificial intelligence. NITAI facilitates this by providing AI literacy programs, practical skills training, and career-oriented certifications directly to individuals. This vision centers on expanding access to knowledge and creating new employment opportunities by making complex technology accessible to anyone. Moving to a unified AI ecosystem changes how we work, building more efficient businesses, opening doors to education, and preparing the workforce for a digital future.